my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification. And if you're not, welcome back to another video. This ain't makeup related, but I just want to get this out the way. I got this notebook so I can start to write a book. And I got this from Dollar General. I got this Airspun powder and it's in the shade Translucent. And if you guys remember in my last Dollar General video, I said that the next time that I go, I was gonna get this. So I got it and I'm excited that I got it. And this was $6 at Dollar General. I got this Believe Beauty Pretty and Prime Primer and it was $5 at Dollar General. I got this Believe Beauty Skin Finish Foundation and it's in the shade Porcelain, and it was, it's a glass bottle and it has a gold pump. And I got these nails from LA Colors. They like a nude pink shimmery color. And I got these acrylic nails by Kiss, and they like a natural type nail. So this was like a short video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below and leave a comment and share this video. And I will see you guys in my next video.